Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Robotech. In this video, we will gonna install KDEnlive in Linux operating system. So, let's get started.
First, open your favorite browser and type KDEnlive in Google. Open the first link that appears in the web. This is the home section of KDEnlive. It's pretty good website. KDEnlive is open source software, free and can able to run in low configuration computers. So, in order to download KDEnlive on your computer, go to Download tab. Here you can see KDEnlive is only available on Linux and Windows. I am using Backbox Linux 7, so I will download for Linux. And first we have to add repository. Let's do that. Here are the commands where you can add a repository before installing KDEnlive. Copy and paste the command in your terminal. Now it will add the repository into your system. Press Enter to continue. Now, the process begins. Repository added successfully. Now, let's update our system, as it notified earlier that update is available. Close this window, now we don't need it. Paste the command. Update successful. After that, now install KDEnlive by typing sudo apt install KDEnlive. KDEnlive is successfully installed in our system. Now, let's try to open it as a root. KDEnlive opened, amazing startup. Just wait for a second, it will open shortly. This is the interface of KDEnlive Advanced and Lightweight Video Editor. This is a timeline where you edit videos. Let's check its version, which version that we have downloaded. Help, about KDEnlive. Yes, it's the latest version, 20.04.1.